We're going to make a crispy fried enoki mushrooms inspired by Western Japanese fusion. Welcome to Taste Flux. First of all, we're gonna make our batter. So let's take a look at our ingredients. We've got 1 egg, salt, panko breadcrumb, enoki mushrooms, baking powder, corn flour, plain flour, soda water, black pepper. To make our batter, we're gonna first combine our flours together.
First ingredient.
Plain flour, half a cup of corn flour. It's baking powder, 1 teaspoon of a baking powder, approximately 1.5 spoon of a salt. Add 1 egg, 1 cup soda water. Let's whisk the mixture. Add a little bit of a black pepper. Next step, we're gonna grab our enoki mushrooms and we're gonna split them. Our enoki mushrooms, divide them into chunks. Let's get our fryer preheated. We're gonna grab our enoki mushrooms and dip them in our pre-made batter. We're gonna place them in the panko breadcrumb. From there, we're gonna go to the fryer. We're gonna fry them for probably about 2-3 minutes. Then we're gonna fry them. Our enoki mushrooms are coming closer to 97-98 degrees, which means they're definitely ready. To finish off our enoki mushrooms, we're gonna need some garnish. And I came up with the idea of grabbing some chili from my little vegetable patch, which is right here. There's my tomatoes, butternuts, cucumbers, gherkins, and some other vegetables. And right here is our little chili plant. And this is how we make Taste Flux enoki fried mushrooms.